Guys, welcome to the next Android app development series for the beginners. So guys, in this Android application, we will see how to make a registration form and how you can validate your edit text. So let's get started. So in this video, we are going to create a registration form. First of all, you need to create a design. You can see I already created my design. I changed my theme color. It's a register, and I put a one images I put one images of my logo, and I put 4 edit text. You can also edit anything. Like I put a one name, mobile number, email address can be your username either. So I set a password. Mobile number can be almost 10 digit. Email ID will be verified. So you have to set the password over here. Password must be hidden, guys. So in this video we will see how we can work with that. In the next video I will upload another video. It's called login app, so stay tuned, guys. In validation, name must be under 10 character, mobile number must be 10 digits. You can't set a mobile number 11 number, that must be error. Password must be hidden. A gender must be selected. You can't set empty. You must have to select male or female either. So I hope you understand what is edit text and how you can set the validation in Android. So just close this, open up Android Studio. So guys, as you can see, I already created my design. So I am going to show you how you can create this design. So first of all, just double click on this and just double click on resource file. Now just go to your values folder and style.xml file. As you can see, my theme color is a dark action bar, and I change my color primary. It's 5F7C8A. I change my color also, primary dark color. So as you can see, my primary dark color is gray. So in here, just double click on text. As you can see, I put a one linear layout. In linear layout, I set orientation, background, focusable true, focusable in touch mode. So guys, that's the way you can create your design. In a whole linear layout, I create another linear layout. In another linear layout, I set a background white, and after that I put a drag and drop one image view. In image view, I set my logo, image my drawable. You can put directly copy and paste in drawable folder, so that's not a big deal. After putting your image view, you just have to drag and drop some edit text input box, so user can enter any data they want. As you can see, I put one edit text. I give it a hint like enter name, and I change style over here, bold, text color already changed, height, wrap content, width match parent. That's way you can edit 4 text view, sorry, edit text. Now after putting 4 edit text, now just put one button, that means app compact button, so user can enter any data. So in main activity job file, you have to create the object of edit text. So edit text. So guys, don't worry, you just have to create an object of 4 edit text, so user can convert into string. So edit text name, sorry, I'll just put a random ed1, ed2, ed3 and ed4. That means name, mobile number, email id and password. So now after set content view, you just have to find the id of all the edit text. So ed1 equal to edit text. You just have to cast the edit text. After casting the edit text, you have to find the edit text id. So ed1 equal to edit text find view by id. So guys, after find view by id, you just have to make sure you copy and paste 4 times. So r dot id dot name, not a name, r dot id dot name. So guys, just copy and paste 4 times, because our edit text, we have already have 4 edit text, so we just have to copy and paste it. So just change the object ed2, again ed3, last 4. So now change the id of your ed2, that means your mobile number. So mobile number id is md. So now after doing all the things, so just find the app compact button in a gradle file. You must require something to find the app compact button. So guys, as you can see, you just have to add dependency over here. I called Android support.design 23.0.0. So that's where you can find app compact button. So I hope you understand how you can put one text view over here. So after finding the app compact button, just create an object of button. I'll create like register, reg. That's it. Now just find the id of app compact button. So reg equal to app compact button. That will find your id, and you have to cast the app compact button again. So find web id, just cast the app compact button. After casting your button, you have to find the id of your button. Where is the id of your app compact button? r dot id dot id dot app compact button. So I put my id is called register. So guys, now you have to find text view. Just find text view in here registration. That means now reg dot start on click listener. So guys, whenever user, that means you, whenever you click on that particular button, that will respond the that will respond something. That means you, whenever you enter name, mobile number is valid or not. So if they value it, toast like successfully, register successfully, otherwise it gives you error. So set on click listener, new, on click listener. After set on click listener, you have to convert all the name, mobile number, email id and password into string. So guys, now it's time to create a string. That means you have to create a string object for converting to string. So now just create an object of string. After text view, just press and in here just create a string. That means capital string. Create a string like name, mobile number, email and password. That's it, and semicolon. After doing that, in here on click method, just do one more thing like name, edit text. That means our object of edit text, you just have to convert that object to string. Get text dot to string. That means your text will be converted to string, so user can get the data. So get text to string means I'll explain you. So guys, whenever you enter any data like name or something like this, so you just have to convert to string. You can say Java doesn't take that object directly. Java already always took a string, so that can be easily work out. So name, mobile number. So guys, as much as possible, just create an object of string every time whenever you making your app. So ed2, that means our mobile number. So don't confuse guys, because I'll put ed1, ed2 just because you guys understand what is the object of your string and what is the object of your array text. So guys, after creating your string, that means after converting your data array text to string, you just have to right now do one thing, like whenever user enter data, that means whenever user enter any data, if that data will wrong, then it gives error. If it is valid, then you can show like a message register successfully. So we have to use a if else condition for that purpose. So guys, if condition, so name equals to empty. So you just have to give an error like your name is empty, please enter something. You can set any message you want. I'll put like please enter some data, or enter name, like this, right? So you can enter any data you want, that means you can enter any message you want. I'll put like enter name. After if condition, else if, that means if this can be happen, if this can be happen, so else if, so name equals to name equals to length less than, sorry, greater than 10. That means if a particular user enter must name must be a 10 character, you can't write a 11 character, that will be give you error. So we have to set the error like this. So ed1, that means name, our object is ed2, sorry, our object we created on upper side, it's ed2, so ed2 dot set error. So just give it error like enter valid name, sorry, valid name. After complete your first edit, so third is email id must be this format. So null, not null, dot matches a to z, small, minus capital E to Z, 0 to 9, dot this. After this, plus, this is a formula how email id works. So plus at the rate E to Z, so A to Z dot E to Z plus A to Z, that means Chirag Sonara 0 to 9 75 @gmail.com. E to Z plus, So that's the formula how you can set the email ID double backslash. So guys, this is a formula how we can set the email. So now if this email ID won't match, then we can set the error. So ed3 ed3 and set the error. So guys, just set the error over here. That means if any user won't able to enter this email ID means this format, then you can set the error. So set error, enter valid email, right? So now just do one more thing. Just copy, Control C, and after mobile length, Control V, and erase all the things we don't need, because we need just equals method. So if user set the empty email ID, then it display like this, enter email, not a valid email. So guys, one thing is remaining, just copy and paste again for a password. So change the name of email to password. So change the name of toast or error, enter password. So guys, after doing all the things, now it's time to run our application. So we almost did, but one thing is remaining to do. Now we have to do else part. In the else part, you just have to put one toast, so you can get the point it is working or not. So registration successfully, registration success, right? Form. In the next video I will upload a login app. So now it's turn to run your application on emulator. So guys, just double click on blue button, that means run your application on emulator. So guys, as you can see, we almost did our application. It's time to run application, and just double click on register file, that means register application. Just click on that. So guys, as you can see, whenever I click on create account without entering any data, that will respond the error, as you can see. So ignore this file. So whenever I put whenever I push create account without entering any data, that will respond the error, as you can see, enter name. So I have to enter some name over here. So like I'll enter my name, Chirag, or something like this. You can enter any name you want. So mobile number, I'll put like 958653736. So that's my mobile number. And that means if you enter 6 or 7 number and you press again create account, that will respond the error, enter valid mobile number. So it's working perfectly, guys. So now just 10 number, email ID must be in a format. So I hope you understand how you can create the edit text and how you put the images, all the things. In the next video I will upload a login app, so how you can log in this app. So I hope you understand how you can create. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep subscribing my channel, and bye bye. See you on next session.